Do you want to see what I used to brew on before I went to the mash and boil? Stick around. Alright, I'm down at a buddy of mine's house, and I gave him my old brew equipment. As you can see, it was a 3-tier stand system. Hot liquor tank, to the mash tun, to the boil kettle. I didn't have the chiller. I had a easy for me to say, plate chiller. I had that mounted up on the frame there. So what this is just one section of shelving, but I ended up just cutting the shelves in half to make it all fit kind of a compact little mode like this. And I'll show you how this all gets controlled here in a second. Alright, so what I did here was got a spa panel. So we got the GFI breaker and wired that up. The incoming is going to a dryer plug, and the outgoing, obviously you can see going down there. So I got everything stuffed into the box, and then to control it, we just put the knob up here to control the intensity of the boil, or if we were doing the strike water, it's just one cord, so you have to switch the cords back and forth. So that's how we control this thing. Okay, so we finished our mash. We got our strike water, or our fly sparge water, going out of the hot liquor tank, and the boil kettle basically consists of water heater element, and then we got first wort hops inside the hop spider, and we're actually coming out of the mash tun, after we wore off, just in case we still have a little bit of grains in there. Might as well just catch them in the hop spider. So we'll come back when we're boiling. Alright, so we're at our boil. We got an hour to go, and I'm not going to show you hop additions and everything like that. They're just going to go in the hop spider anyway. But we'll come back to transfer it into the fermenter, and we'll see how well the counterflow works. See you then. Alright, so we're at flame out. We've got the heat off. Obviously there's still steam rising out of the boil kettle. And what we got going on here for chilling is we got our water connections coming out where we have the washer hook up, and that line goes down into a pre-chiller. Again, our South Florida water coming out of the pipes is pretty warm, and then that pre-chiller chills the water that goes into the counterflow. So we got the beer coming out of the kettle going into the top of the counterflow. The chilled water is leaving the top, and then on the other side here we've got the cold water going in with the wort coming out, and with that pre-chiller running, they're coming out at 79 degrees. So all in all, we got a good thing going here. So there you have it, my old system. See you on the next one.